Hello everyone, I am Romano Liquino, 18 years old. I'm going to teach what is coordinate plane, and I will teach to you how to plot what is coordinate system and the part of Cartesian plane and etc. And now I'm going to start. What is Cartesian plane? Cartesian plane are whose points are labeled with Cartesian coordinate. Who originated the Cartesian plane? The Cartesian plane was originated by René Descartes, a French mathematician. This was named after him. Before I will give the meaning or discuss the coordinate system and etc., let me say about René Descartes' life information. René Descartes was French philosopher and mathematician. He was born on March 31, 1596, and he died on February 11, 1650. And he spent most of his life in the Dutch Republic. And did you know he is the father of analytic geometry? Let's proceed to our topic. Cartesian coordinate system is the plane determined by coordinate axis, and it's also a points of the Cartesian coordinate system are located by means of order point of real number x and y. Coordinate of the point. The coordinate of the point is the number corresponding to a point of the line, so that we call coordinate of the point. Number line. Number line is directed line which is point corresponding to a real number. So this is the number line. This is the figure of the number line. Next is ordered pair. Ordered pair is a set in which the ordered pair of the element is significant. So you can see the figure of ordered pair. The coordinates are written as a ordered pair as shown below. The letter P is simplify the name of the point and is used to distinguish it from others. 12 is the x axis and the 23 is the y-axis. Cartesian coordinate axis is x-axis and y-axis intersected at right angles at the origin together. So you can see the x and y axis intersected, so the line can form right angles. Quadrant. Quadrant is the coordinate axis divided the plane into four parts. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant. X is called abscissa. The y-axis is called ordinate. Abscissa is the distance of any point from the y, and the distance from the x-axis is called ordinate. This is the point that we're going to plot, and point A is positive 4 and positive 2, and point B is positive 2 and negative 3, and point C is negative 2 and negative 2, and point D is negative 1 and positive 2. In plotting, the materials that need is only ruler, ball pen, graphing paper, and also a blank sheet. So let's start to plot. The first I will do is to make a cross that will serve the y-axis and x-axis. So you can draw a cross because it serves x-axis and y-axis, and after that label it what number is it. After finish, let's suppose you were told to locate positive 4 and positive 2. Where would you look? To understand the meaning of positive 4 and positive 2, you have to know the following rules. The x-coordinate, the number for the x-axis, always come first. The first number always on the horizontal axis. So you may start to count in the horizontal axis. So for the point positive 4 and positive 2, you would start at the origin, the spot where the axis is crossed. So this is the origin where the axis is crossed. Then count 4 on the x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then count up to 2 moving parallel to the y-axis, 1, 2, and make a dot, so we can get the point A. And then next is plot the point positive 2 and negative 3. I will start at the origin. This is the origin, and then count over 2 units on the horizontal x-axis, 1, 2, and then I'll count down 3 units parallel to the y-axis, 1, 2, 3, and we will make a dot. It will serve the point B. Next is plot the point negative 2 and negative 2. I'll start at the origin here, then count backward 2 units along the x-axis, 1, 2, and then count down 2 units in the parallel to the y-axis, 1, 2, and we'll make a dot, so this will serve a point C. And then next is you can count again in the origin, so you can count negative 1 in the x-axis, so 1, and count positive 2 in the y-axis, 1 and 2, and you make a dot, so we can get the point D. So this will be the answer on the problem. This is the point A, the positive 4 and positive 2. This is the point B, the positive 2 and negative 3. This is negative 2 and negative 2 of point C, and this is the point D of negative 1 and positive 2. If you understand on how to plot, I will give you an exercise. So plot the following point, and then I will give you 3 minutes to answer that, and after 3 minutes I will show the answer. So timer start now. Okay, if you're done, it will be the answer. I hope you understand my very simple example on how to plan. And that's all. I hope you enjoy and gain a little knowledge. Before I end, please follow me on my Twitter on wilolix@yahoo.com or add me on my Facebook at rowelolikino_@yahoo.com for more videos. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.